ESD Assembly Cell with height adjustable stations and redundant test bays. This was not our first application with this manufacturing team. After a positive experience with one of our FlexiMate transport cells, the team returned with a new application and a checklist of enhancements, including height adjustable workstations, modular work surfaces that could be easily modified after install, very stringent ESD standards, redundant test bays, and a multi-level finished goods flow rack. We quickly went to work and devised a 6-position straight line. Positions 1 through 3 would be assembly and 4 through 6 would be online test. To assist in line balance, a queue position between the operators eliminated production bottlenecks. For maximum ergonomics, a height adjustable lift kit was integrated in each assembly station. To provide security for the operator and product, locks were incorporated into each station to prevent the carts from rolling off the workstation tracks when it is raised. A palm button actuated the lifting and lowering to achieve worker control and comfort. Custom auxiliary work surfaces were milled from MDF, which would facilitate easy and fast modifications if required. Other production enhancements included rotating cart tops, station lighting, tool trolleys and holsters, and a complement of parts presentation accessories. For the highest level of ESD protection during the processes, we took a built-in suspenders approach. The primary line of defense would be our standard ESD composite wheels for the transport carts, with the tracks acting as a ground bus for any potential static buildup during production. As a backup for static control, each transport cart was fitted with a conductive carbon fiber brush, which mated up with a continuous aluminum U-channel along the entire line. Both systems were bonded to the building's ground bus with a resistor in series. A third prong in the effort to eliminate static discharge product damage was the inclusion of a plug-in ground strap for all techs. After completing assembly, the transport carts would roll into the first open test bay. To remedy line imbalance caused by the longer test takt time, we designed a test bay that utilized parallel switching track sections to take product that was being tested offline. While testing, the parallel set of tracks allowed the production to continue to flow to other test bays or the end of the cell. A side benefit of this compact system was the ability of one test tech to staff 3 test bays without stoppages. One last requirement was to have a method of compact storage for finished goods. The completed units were heavy and valuable, which made worker safety and product handling a high priority. Our solution was a battery-powered scissor lift with a custom fixture for product manipulation. This enabled the safe removal, placement, and storage of completed units in a space-efficient, multi-level flow rack sited adjacent to the production cell. In the final analysis, a turnkey, lean assembly and test cell, maximum ESD protection, online test, and shipped in large setup pieces for fast production ramp-up. Working on a new concept? Reach out to us for a no-obligation consult. WorkSmart Systems, 978-536-5000 or sales@worksmartsystems.com.